What if you could fly like a pro aerobatic pilot, even if you're still learning? This RC plane might completely change how you fly forever. Meet the Super Decathlon 1.2-meter BNF Basic, an iconic aerobatic trainer reborn with smarter tech, smoother control, and jaw-dropping realism. Inspired by real-world aerobatic legends, this model delivers a perfect balance between stability and performance. Whether you're just stepping into aerobatics or pushing your limits, this plane adapts to you. The magic starts with AS3X Plus and Safe Select technology. That means smoother flights, better stability in windy conditions, and optional flight assistance that literally has your back. Nervous about losing control? Safe mode keeps things steady. Want full freedom? Turn it off and go wild. Under the hood, you get a powerful 3S and 4S compatible system paired with a 45A Smart Light ESC. Translation: more power when you need it and efficient cruising when you don't. And let's talk precision. Upgraded digital metal-geared servos and ball-link linkages give you incredibly accurate control. From smooth cruising to aggressive aerobatics, this plane responds exactly how you want. The one-piece wing design with quick connect features makes setup effortless. No tools, no hassle. Just snap, screw, and fly. Plus, it's not just about performance, it looks stunning too. With LED landing and navigation lights, realistic wheel pants, and that bold red, white, black starburst design, it feels like flying a real aerobatic aircraft. Whether you're learning your first rolls or mastering inverted flight, the Super Decathlon 1.2-meter gives you confidence, control, and pure flying excitement. So if you're ready to level up your RC experience, this might just be your perfect next aircraft.
PureRtech. Like, comment, and subscribe.